Here is part 2 of cooking an egg with the sun, part of the infrared light section of the electromagnetic spectrum. And I decided to go for a whole dozen eggs. That will fix a couple of the problems we ran into the other day when we were just cooking one egg on the rack. So let's see how it goes. I just about forgot about the eggs. I put them in here an hour ago. I figured I'd let them go for about an hour and then check them. It's a tiny bit cloudy today, so we're only at 250 degrees, but I decided to go for a whole dozen eggs. So we're going to pull one out and spin test it and maybe open it up if it looks like it might be done. Okay, it's burnt. Oh, you can see where it was sitting on the rack right there on the two metal parts of the rack. You probably remember from an earlier class that there are three ways heat gets transferred from one place to another. There's radiation, which is what's happening when the sun hits the inside of the sun oven and gets re-radiated as infrared light. There's conduction, which is why the egg got burned last time in those two locations. And there's convection, which is what we're looking for. We want our dozen eggs to be heated by convection, which happens when the air inside the sun oven is heated by radiation and then mixes around and transfers its energy to the eggs. Okay, so the simplest test for a hard-boiled egg is to spin it. Hard-boiled eggs will spin. Eggs that aren't cooked won't spin. Looks like it might be done. Ooh, that felt awfully soft though. Okay, right. Now that's interesting. It's also not done. So we're going to give it, I don't know, that's kind of cool though. We're going to give it maybe another 20 minutes or half hour. I'll just put this one back in too. The eggs came out really good this time, even though I forgot about them. It's looking really good. They've got too.